So in this part of the video, I'll be walking you guys through on how to set up React with a modern framework called White.js. So White.js is actually a new way of uh, setting up your React project. So this has been the most modern way of actually making starting setting up your project of your React project. So and there's a reason why we picked this particular modern tool, and there's only one reason for this. It is far more faster than the old traditional way to actually create your React app. So this is the modern way, and there are many more features that we can actually implement. I mean, we're actually better than the old create React app way. So White.js is more like a modern front-end build tool that provides an extremely fast development environment, and also it bundles your code for productions. So this is something that really, how do you say, like this is like the most, I would say, the best way to actually to get your React project started. And on top of all, this is open source. Then that's what that really made this White.js to be the most preferable framework to get started. So basically, it's like a build tool, more like a front-end build tool, not like a framework, but it this one helps your React project to get started very easily. So I'll just give you guys a demo on how are we able to make use of White.js, this particular build tool, front-end build tool. So in order to go, let's go to whitejs.dev website and let's click on get started here. And as you can see here, this is the your documentation. We have just went documentation. All you have to just go for the installation part of this video. For example, here you can see this is the code that we would be using. For example, npm create white latest. So this is what we'll be copying. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'll be going to my desktop, and I'll be having a new folder. Or you don't have to make a new folder. You can just need to go to open in terminal inside uh, your desktop here, or you can just like go to command prompt and you can do the same thing. And as long you make your the directory to be desktop, and just here we're going to paste the command that we have just copied, which is npm create white latest. So I'm going to click on enter, and as you can see here, currently white.latest actually will be downloading the required project files. For example, in this case, I like to name my project called instead of white project, because I already have one here. I would like to change it to uh, React white project new. Okay, so I'm just gonna click enter, and the next thing here is that I'll be choosing what framework am I supposed to use. For example, I'll be using React, so that's a framework, that's the most common one. And the thing will be it's selecting the variant. So there's two types of variant for White.js, which is JavaScript and TypeScript. In this case, I have to go with the default JavaScript, and there you go. Now what you have just here is all your projects has been installed here, and the next thing is we need to go to our cd, change our directory to react white project new, and we should do that first. Now as you can see here, we have changed our directory to that particular project folder. Next thing is that we need to install the dependencies inside this folder. So we need to click on npm, we need to enter npm install, and currently this is where the real installation process happens. Currently it is installing all the dependencies that have been downloaded. So once you have installed all of the downloaded dependencies, and that is where you are able to start get your project to be get started with. So until then, we all need to do just need to wait for a couple of seconds, and there you go. Without even I have not completed my sentences, but as you can see here, it has already been installed. The next thing I need to do is just need to npm run dev. So I just need to copy it here. There you go. And I'm just going to hit enter, and it's currently running. And there you go. You just need to click on this particular link here, and that how fast white.js is. So this is the reason, this is the ultimate reason why White.js is like a more preferable way than the old traditional way of creating React app, which is far more takes more time to load, more time to download, more time to install, and everything is taking so long. And this is the reason why White.js has been the game changer in the React development field. So that's it, guys. This is the first step here. This is just to show you on how we are going to install the same React project but with a different front-end build tool, which is called White.js here. So thank you guys for watching this video, and that's it. The end. All you need to do, just need to go to the next step. Before I finish my video, I just need to go to this particular React project, and this is your new React project which you have just created. I'll be opening it with code, VS Code, and there you go. This is your React.js project which you have just created, and you have a couple of assets. You have also have I mean, yeah, this is basically the same, exactly the same as your React app project folder. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and I hope you'll be learning more in this particular course that I'll be walking you guys through the entire process of you guys becoming a pro in React.js. So till then, thanks for watching.